Hey everyone, want to uninstall CrystalDiskInfo from your Windows computer? Whether you're switching to another disk monitoring tool, troubleshooting an issue, or simply no longer need the application, uninstalling CrystalDiskInfo only takes a few minutes. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to uninstall CrystalDiskInfo step by step. So let's get started. First, close CrystalDiskInfo if it's currently running. Or if the application is minimized to the system tray, click its icon and choose Exit to close it completely. Now open the Windows Settings app, go to Apps, then select Installed Apps. This is where you can manage or remove installed programs. Scroll through the list or use the search box to locate CrystalDiskInfo. Searching is usually the fastest way to find the application. Click the three-dot menu next to CrystalDiskInfo and choose Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the removal process. After uninstalling, you can check the installation folder to remove any leftover files if necessary. This step is optional, but can help free up disk space and remove old configuration files. Finally, restart your computer to complete the uninstall process and ensure any background components are fully removed. After restarting, CrystalDiskInfo should no longer appear in your installed applications list, and that's how to uninstall CrystalDiskInfo. Whether you're troubleshooting, reinstalling the software, or switching to another monitoring tool, removing CrystalDiskInfo is a quick and simple process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.